Thank you very much for the invitation. So I'm Jean Carbonera. I am a lawyer. I am president of Lawyers Without Borders in Brazil and member of the coordination of International Lawyers Without Borders Network. And I work also together with the Corporate Social Forum. And from these experiences, we together with companies linked to blockchain technologies from different countries, we created, it's a kind of, it's not a token, it's a cryptocurrency, exactly, within its own blockchain. And it aims to finance the production of the agricultural production and to use the profit of this operation to finance the development of new technologies, to the sustainability, to grow the productivity of this sector. And when we grow the productivity, we are working to protect the environment, because since the producers, the farmers, can produce more in the same area, they don't have to deforestate. And here in Brazil, where I live, and it is for the agribusiness, the Brazilian agribusiness that we are developing this project, we have many problems with Amazon and Mata Atlântica, another big forest in Brazil, that lives together with the production, and also with the creation of the growth of animals to the production. So how it works, when we, together with the Corporate Social Forum, where we have many people that works together with the Food and Agriculture organization, the institution linked to the United Nations to food security and agriculture, we talked about something that can bring more, how people can be more interested in sustainability. People from the farmers specifically, know how they can be more interested in these issues. So if we can give them money to do this, if we can create a kind of money to finance their production, link it to this sustainability, it can be a very good idea. And then we talked with many important representatives of agribusiness in Brazil, and they loved the idea. It was very interesting. Then we started to develop the blockchain, and it works within Brazil. So the first step is to implement it in Brazil, and 1st July we are starting it here through a program, a fidelity program. It's called, in Portuguese, is Agrovantagens. So it's like agriculture advantages, something like that. It's a playing with words. We have a platform where people can have, it's a kind of digital bank. When we have multi-wallets, we have the wallet for the agribonus and the wallet for fiat money, so real. Here we can use it with dollars and yuan and other currencies. And it works through an app that people can pay in every kind of business. So they can buy food, they can buy fuel, gasoline, etc. They can buy everything through this fidelity program. So we use the agribonus within the platform as a kind of points or miles in a program to buy things. This, what is the aim to do this, is to spread the agribonus with through every kind of people, every kind of business. Then in the second step, we start to finance the production. So it's a bigger amount of money. And then we give the agrobonus to the farmers, and in the future they re-gives us, or they give us their part of their production with so less than we gave them. And then this profit will be used to develop new technologies, to create many ways to reduce the poison to the production, so, and to reduce the use of water in the production, and many other kinds of new technologies. We have many partnerships with universities, with and also with banks and other financial institutions to do this, starting from Brazil, but we already have contacts from institutions in Central America and in Africa that were very interested in to introduce the agrobonus in their financial system. Another way to people to receive the agrobonus, the users of the digital bank to receive it, is through cashback. They buy what they are buying, so they pay what they are buying, and they receive a percentual of the amount in agrobonus. What we are looking for. So, well, maybe you can talk about a little bit about how it works. The blockchain of the agrobonus can communicate with external blockchains through oracles, but we are thinking also in the future the possibility of tokenize the agrobonus to put it in exchanges and etc. We have ideas to create a marketplace where all these companies can buy their B2B and B2C business using the agrobonus within this platform, and it can make also through the international organizations, international agribusiness in Guatemala, for example, wants to buy things from Brazil, from the United States, from Africa, to sell to Africa, etc., and it can be made in agrobonus through this platform. This is what we are still thinking about to develop, but we already have all this platform being operated in Brazil. It starts from July. We have a partnership with the Brazilian Association of Cryptocurrency Investors. They are 35,000 families that are starting to use it with how beta testers through a negotiation that we've done with them. The network of the blockchain operates with low carbon footprint and can be powered by small solar panels with power and batteries. And in operation, the entire grid consumes less energy for transactions than a parked electric car. So it's very green. This is why we call it green, because it invests in the new solutions for sustainability in the agriculture to grow the production. So it's food security too. And we are looking for investors or partners to bring the agrobonus to other countries, to develop this local marketplace where companies can make business B2C and B2B using agrobonus. And also this marketplace should be a platform to create international circular economy between the agribusiness of Latin America Africa and other countries where we have a big number of small and medium producers, agricultural producers. How much we need? Around from $80,000 for the marketplace, local marketplace platform, and to $500,000 to be able to create a crypto exchange, a kind of white label, of course, with one of the biggest exchanges that we already have agreements to develop this. So it's not too much, but we can do many things. Our team is an international team, and we have many possibilities, and then we can talk better about the projects. I don't have here the entire project to present here, but if people are interested, we can talk better. Thank you very much for the attention.
Thanks, Shane. I have a question for you. So in terms of the funding to date, was that funded by the Brazilian government?
Yes. 99% of the production is financed by the government. And the government says last year that they don't have enough money because the agribusiness in Brazil is growing very fast. And this year, it was reduced because of the pandemic, etc. So it was reduced around 20%. So they have even less money than last year.
So in terms of government ownership, is this like a nonprofit at the moment, or what's the structure of this company or foundation? What is it?
Yes, we have a group of companies. So we have some NGOs that are working together. So the Corporate Social Forum, the Association of Investors, Crypto Investors. We have some, the CNA, so some is the National Confederation of Agriculturists, that are NGOs. And we have Zurich Bank, that is a fintech here in Brazil. We have NBTC, that is a global company that works, is New Time Blockchain Technology Limited, and another fintechs in Brazil that are working together with us to implement it within the financial system. So they are we have companies that are linked to the, not linked, but they have the authorization of central bank to do the operation with Rios. And then we work together with them to introduce the agrobonus within this network or the system.
Yeah, so there's a lot of complexity. So if people are investing, where would they invest in?
They can, we have many possibilities. It depends on what kind of investment will be done, but we have the Zurich Bank is the financial manager of the system in Brazil with the AgroVantagens. So we think that, and I was chosen by the other companies to be the CEO of this company because I am a person that many people knows in Brazil, so they trusted me to do this. So probably they will say we can buy stocks of Zurich Bank, that is an anonymous society in Brazil. So it is a way to do this, but not exactly is not decided. So we can have the person can have, or the company can have its own company and to put it together inside the system of agrobonus, AgroVantagens. We have many different possibilities. It's completely open.